Alright, so this is just going to be a super quick short video on the DELL Latitude 3560. So to remove the battery, there's this little tab, just slide it over, pops out. I think this is an aftermarket battery, I'm not sure. It does say DELL on it, but the model type is VVKCY, in case you want this kind of battery. Alright, so we're just going to do a hard drive and RAM check. So there's just two screws here. So just undo the screws. They do stay in place, so the screws don't actually come out. After that, you can use a pry tool or your fingernail and then just get under here and pull this cover up, just like this. You might have to go along the sides as well, okay? And pull this up, all right? Just like that. The cover comes out just like that. All right, then you got the hard drive and you got 2 sticks of RAM here. You also got the wireless card. I'm not going to show how to take out the wireless card because it's the same on every model. But the RAM, same thing, pull it to the side. This is PC3L 12800S, so if you want to upgrade the RAM, make sure you get PC3 12800S, okay? I believe you can get up to 16 gigs on here. I don't think they have 16 gig sticks, so you'd have to just put 2 8 gig sticks. I think there's already an 8 gig stick. Anyways, you got 4 screws to remove the hard drive. Just take those 4 screws out. Okay, this we're going to be putting an SSD in there, so I'm going to take out the 4 screws here. I think I have a customer here, so I probably have to go, but I'm going to try and do this real quick. So this is just to replace the hard drive. You will have to clone over your hard drive to the new hard drive or the SSD, or you'd have to do a clean install of Windows if you do pull that out, or Linux if you want. So to remove this connector, you just grab this tab and you pull it up. Whoa, why is it already coming up? Oh, there we go. Okay, so you just grab this and then you pull it up just like that. Okay, I think I pulled it out earlier and didn't put it back down all the way. So yeah, this connector just comes out like that. It snaps in, you push it down, and to take it out, you just pull this black tab up. Okay, then you unroute it from this little cable management thing. Okay, might be a little stuck, so just be careful. You don't want to end up damaging the cable trying to rip it out. Okay, just like that. And then there's a little gap here to lift up the hard drive. Lift it up like that. And then I don't know why it's stuck to this sticker pad, but just remove it. There you go. And then there's 4 screws holding this in, and we need to remove this little connector. I just used my fingernail at the edge of the connector here. Hopefully you can see, and then I just pull it like that. Okay, and that's how you get this thing out. I'm going to attach it to the SSD here. Okay, just put it back in, press it in place. Okay, now we're going to take the old hard drive out. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, so there's just 4 screws. Take the 4 screws out. And do this quick. I have customers coming, so I can't be recording. They're gonna call, and then it's gonna turn off my recording, not my stream. Okay, so get out those 4 screws. Very straightforward. Basically, like every other laptop with these, it's a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. So we are upgrading it to an SSD. The hard drive actually failed, so yeah. All right, set the hard drive aside. Grab the bracket. Put the new hard drive or SSD in place. I don't recommend using regular hard drives anymore. There's not really much benefit to it other than like a lot of storage space, but your computer will suffer performance wise. So I would put an SSD, and if you want more storage, just get an external. Okay, so just like that, put in these screws. Uh-oh, I think someone's at my door. Okay, just like that. Very simple, straightforward. Okay, after you got all 4 screws in, drop that in place. Alright, make sure these little parts that stick up go down properly. Then get the hard drive cable, reattach it. Right, make sure it snaps on both sides, and then put back the screws. And that's pretty much all there is to this model for upgrading. I'm not doing a disassembly video on this. The customer wants it back soon, so I'm not going to take the time to completely pull their laptop apart. Plus, it adds risk. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, like and subscribe. Help others find these videos. Thank you for watching. I'm just going to put the cover back on, so if you want, you can stay for that. Yeah. Alright, got those 4 screws in. Flip this over, bottom side in first. Drop it down, push down the clips, just like that, and then tighten the screws. And yeah, alright. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.